Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TikTok login problems, app and web solution step by step clearly. First, check that your internet is working by opening another app or website to confirm the connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is caused by your current network. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh your connection. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary glitches that can block login. Check if TikTok is down by searching TikTok server status and waiting if there is an outage. Update the TikTok app from the App Store or Google Play because old versions may fail to log in. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll to TikTok, and enable mobile data and background app refresh if needed. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, and allow mobile data and Wi-Fi usage if restricted. Force close TikTok and open it again to reload the login services properly. Clear TikTok cache by going to TikTok, Profile, Menu, Settings and Privacy. Free up space, then clear cache. If the app still fails, clear app data on Android from Settings, Apps, TikTok, Storage, then clear data. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and reset using phone, email, or username. Make sure you are entering the correct country code for phone number logins. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the TikTok verification code if you use email login. If SMS codes do not arrive, wait a few minutes and request a new code only once or twice. Disable VPN or proxy apps because TikTok may block logins from certain virtual locations. Set your device date and time to automatic because incorrect time can break verification. On web, try an incognito or private window to rule out corrupted browser data. Clear browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that can interfere with TikTok login pages. Try a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox to confirm it is not a browser-specific issue. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook login, confirm that account works by signing in directly on its own site first. Remove and re-add the linked login method inside your Google, Apple, or Facebook security settings if it is stuck. If you see too many attempts, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to avoid temporary lockouts. If your account may be hacked, reset your password immediately and enable two-step verification in TikTok settings. Check if your account is suspended by looking for messages in the app and following any on-screen instructions. Uninstall and reinstall TikTok to rebuild all login files if nothing else works. Contact TikTok support from the app or help page and include screenshots, your username, and the exact error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.